So we did round one last week on this Ram, and it was just, we put a Flowmaster Super 44. He loved it, and then when he took it on the freeway and stuff, it droned too much for him. It was a little bit too loud. So he brought it back, and we switched it up for him. So everything else stayed the same. The converters on each side, the Y's into a single. And we went ahead and the MAGNAFLOW, they wanted like $200 for the same muffler. So we just went ahead and bought him a knockoff, which was this one. It's an MF 1259 by Full Bore Performance. Basically, same thing as the MAGNAFLOW, but without the name stamped on it, okay? So as you guys can see right there, and then it goes out the back, out the side into that same tip we have on it before, right there. 4-inch black by 12, all right? So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And let us know what you think. Would you rather have the Flowmaster Super 44, which is, that's what it was on it that we took off, or the Full Bore Performance MF muffler, which is basically a MAGNAFLOW knockoff? Let me know. Go ahead. You guys can see it's already a lot quieter. See, when you rev it, you hear it. Your sound decibels on Revs. Again. Peak is 101. And at idle, not at idle, that's the nice thing about the MAGNAFLOW knockoffs or MAGNAFLOW mufflers, is you only hear them when you give them gas. So when, as you guys can see, it's a lot quieter. Rev it. It's a lot quieter. What do you guys think? Good looking truck too. Let you guys hear it on the inside.